Hello, welcome back to MF Woodshop. Today we're going to make the ultimate palm router base plate. Let me show you all the features on this. First and foremost, you can use it as a tabletop router. It has a router starting pin that screws right into the base, and you can use that whenever you need to. Second of all, it easily comes out of the table. You can use it as a regular router, and it has wide plate so you can get down into a area and still have support on either side of the wood. So I can actually router out this whole section here without running the risk of dipping down like that. So two big handles also on this, so you can easily control your router with two hands and still see whatever you can do. The base plate itself is clear so you can see through it, and in my particular case my router bezel is clear as well, and I can see everything that I'm doing at all times in any direction. Couple other features on this that I'm really going to enjoy. I can utilize these little collets now with this particular insert. So now I can use my collets with my router bits when I need to. So one more feature that I want to show you, and I'm actually going to demonstrate this because I haven't done it yet, but I think it'll work out pretty cool. So with the addition of the two wheels that I put on here, I now have a center routing option down the center of this board. I can drill a hole to start my bit and then drop that into the hole, twist it until it meets both sides of the wheels, and then run it down the edge of this. Let's see if this works. Okay, it did make a straight groove, but it wasn't centered. It made a pretty good straight groove, but it's nowhere near centered. So I'm gonna have to adjust this and maybe do a couple more pieces until I get that right. All right, so there you go, the ultimate router base for a palm router. Again, it does base mount into a surface like so. It has a spot for a starter pin so you can start your cut safely. And then it has the two rollers for centering a groove down the edge of a board, which I have to come back and adjust or make one of them with a slot so it can be adjustable and be right in the center. So I haven't done that yet, but I will. And then this will work out pretty well. This base also doubles up as a large base with two handles for more control and more accuracy of a cut. Everything's clear so you can see through it and know what you're cutting. And then it also fits those collet bushings as well. So a lot of things going on with this base. I need to tweak it just a pinch, and then it would be set up pretty well. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you next time.